It's not something I really want to do. Having my benefit of the doubt, I believe in God. And whatever His will is for me. Pero yun nga, then again, minsan hindi naman, kung kaya ko naman like mag-ingat sa health ko, parang nagiging reminder na lang siya. So yeah, it's not something I would live by like very strictly.
Alexa, ano pa yung first movie together niyo ni kamusta yung naging experience? And sabi niya kasi kayo na mas lumalik daw yung
Well, to be honest, actually, nakaka-isang shooting day pa lang ako. Sila yung mas nakakagawa. But it's been a really fun experience kasi, especially with the staff, nakakasama ko sila bata pa lang ako sa intensive and parts of the show. So, medyo may sense of familiarity and medyo at home din ako sa kanila. And si Direct Jill, sobrang ball of energy. So, sobrang saya lang namin sa set. And of course, working with Katie, I'm very proud of him kasi hindi naman gago siya seryoso sa ginagawa niya. So I just let him be, and inaalalain ko lang siya kapag kailangan niya. But yeah, overall, it's been a really fun experience.
Pero parang sobrang comfortable na kayo sa isa't isa to the point na kanina, parang kayo na nag-hold ng hands na.
Secret. What you see is what you get.
So, pero yun lang yung pagiging label na kailangan.
To be completely honest, I don't think announcing labels are so important. There are some things we would like to keep to ourselves because what others don't know over us, that makes sense, what they don't know over us. But yeah, we show our true selves in that, but we don't think we have to announce. But yeah, yes, kasi we've been asked naman din many times, so it's not really something na nag-sit down conversation kami, pero parang with our personalities, napagkasundoan naman.
Pero mas ano ba, Alex, na nakakatulong ba sa love team nyo ni Katie na pag meron kayo mo personal relationship, hindi ba siya nakaka-affect? You think it's an advantage or disadvantage na magka-partner kayo sa
I think it's an advantage, of course, because you feel inspired to go to work, and you have a lot of fun. There's like extra fun going to work when there's someone that inspires you to go to work. I haven't really felt any disadvantage so far.
And naniniwala ka ba na you know something to the fans na para aminin mo kung ano meron kayo?
I think somehow we owe it to them to be truthful in our actions. What we choose to show other people. But we also have boundaries. So yeah.
So after this film, meron ba kayo mga next project ni Katie together?
Well, I right now I'm working on a new musical. It's called Liwanag sa Dilim, featuring the songs Rico Blanco.
Pero that's a interesting experience working with with KB syempre. Kasi off-cam, medyo sanay na kayo magkasama. On-cam, medyo acting na yung gagawin mo.
Yes. And this is more of KD talaga eh. And I'm really happy to be here supporting him, and I see his growth every time na nagpapatrabaho kami, and it's really heartwarming, and it makes me feel very proud kasi he really takes this seriously. Whatever the role, how big, how small, comedy, drama, whatever, he really strives for greatness, and that makes me very proud because I do the same. So it's nice to be with a partner then who doesn't only challenge you but also not naman compete, but wants to always be better. Dati po, actually, I'm proud to say na I was one of the first artista vloggers or vloggers ng YouTube. Nung siya mga makeup tutorial, etc. I was one of those, like 2016 or 15 maybe, 2016, 17. I tried to dabble into the world of vlogging. And every now and then, minsan po, pasurpot-surpot, nag-vlog pa din, but it's not really my focus.
So now, yung vlog mo,
Medyo ano na po, I don't post as frequent, but usually when I travel, ayun, I would vlog that. But yeah, kasi ngayon parang uso naman yung reels on Instagram eh. So magsigat mini vlog or like TikTok vlogs na maikli lang.
Pero ba ni Katie nag-vlog na, nag-collab na?
Yes, of course. Sa channel ko po, marami na ba? Medyo po. Yeah, nung nagkaroon po din ako ng time na I try to go back to vlogging, rekindle my love for vlogging. So, siya yung ginigis ko palagi kasi kami palagi magkasama. So, yun po. Pero ngayon, hindi po. So, I wish kaya ko mag-edit. Pero, I am grateful. I have a team for that. Meron ako magaling na editor, videographer. Actually, matrabaho po talaga ang vlog. Sa totoo lang, if you can't do it yourself, it takes a lot of people, a lot of money, and a lot of time and creative juices. So, vlogging is actually quite hard.
Like 100%.
Yeah, it's a different kind of hard.
Pero aside from KD, sino yung dream collab?
Sa
Since
vlog
collab
po,
naman
sa
ang tayo.
vlog or like any
Any
Any creator or any artist.
Marian Rivera.
Siya pa rin talaga.
Yes, my dream. My dream everything, my dream girl, my dream
Oo nga.
life, everything. Pero it would be such an honor for me na makatrabaho siya. Sana nga sa isang kwarto, grabe, kilig na ako. So, what if maka-collab ko pa siya? So that would be a dream come true.
So pag sinasabi nilang sana ikaw ang next Marimar or next
Sana
lahat ng
nga po.
project na ginawa niyo din.
Sana nga po talaga, pinagdadasal ko rin po yan. Pero, ayun, syempre, kung ano naman will me God for me, I will accept. And I believe naman na kung, if ever, di ko alam if may gaganap na na Marimar, yun naman yung tama. Kung sino yung who will land the role, yun yung para sa kanya talaga yun.
Hindi siya nalalayo kasi sa'yo. Marami na
Salamat po. Nako. Nakita na kayo? Thank you po. Oh, yes. Nakita na kami.
Kailan yung last na nakita?
Oh my gosh, di ko maalala. I think, medyo matagal na po. Premiere pa ata ng Rewind. Rewind last MMF. Pero,
okay.
yeah.
Ano na lang unang
Itatanong? Paano po maging ganyan maganda? Paano hindi nabubulok? Yan yung gusto ko itanong. Kasi yun ang life motto. Bawal mabulok. Siya talaga. Grabe. Angel talaga. Walang katulad.
Magandang-ganda rin naman siya sa'yo.
Ay, naku, grabe. Salamat po. Sobrang salamat. Napaka-buti po sa akin ni Miss Marian. Nung nauso po yung mga anik-anik, sobrang ko na-touch kasi pinadalhan din niya ako. Kaya, grabe. Sino ba naman ako?
Yung viral yung sagot ko rin, ayaw mo magalo.
Ayaw.
Yung tips mo sa ibang tao para
Well, yung lahat talaga ginagawa ko. Lahat na pwede kong gawin para di... Oo, parang sabi ko nga, I'm grateful. I was born with this space, but to maintain it is another conversation. So, yun, workout almost every day. Kasi pag basta walang work, nasa gym ako, halos umilan ako sa gym. Try to eat as clean as I can, pero may cheat din paminsan-minsan. Enjoy life naman. Lahat ng supplements, vitamins, minerals, lahat ng pagmaganda na healthy or natural, eat ko. Si Dr. Abello, maraming salamat po, Dr. Abello. Lahat ng pwede kong machine na ipagawa, ipagawa.
When you age, are you open to
When I age, why not? Why not? If I feel like, tama, kasi I mean, for me lang, ngayon pa nga lang, as young as I am right now, I try to prevent I'm not scared of aging naman or anything. I know that will happen to me inevitably no matter what I do. But syempre, if I can prolong it, if I can keep it at bay, I will do that.
Parang kay ni Katie, parang ang kanya pwede na life fitness era yun.
Actually, alam niyo po, it's been something I've been trying to do since 2023. So, I've been a work in progress. It's something I've been working on.
Makalayo kayo ng bahay ni Katie, pero do you have a time to work out?
Actually, not really. We've tried, pero ang layo kasi talaga ni Katie sa akin. And yung oras namin na mag-workout, ako sa morning, siya sa gabi. And ayoko sa gabi nag-gym kasi. So, hindi kami nagkakasabay. And iba yung style, iba yung workout na nag-work for him, and iba yung sa akin. So, focus na lang ako sa, yung gym din naman is like me time for me.
Pero how do you motivate each other to get yourself?
Honestly, kasi we both understand the value of being consistent. How consistency is truly key. You don't need motivation, you need consistency. That's the kind of discipline you need to instill sa sarili mo, sa mind mo. So, ako, I'm very thankful naman na I'm able to have that kind of thinking. So, andun lang kami, like, whenever we go to the gym, lagi lang na, hey, good job, you did it. Even if you didn't want to, you did it, good job. Parang mga ganun lang.
Kasi bagay pa kayo consistent. Saan bagay pa kayo consistent?
Pagkain din.
Kain ka?
Hindi kami kumain, sobra. Kaya din siguro extra push din mag-workout kasi I really love to eat. We love such big foodies, super foodies talaga. Kasi that's how we enjoy life.
Wala ka naman
Ay, salamat po. Yun nga, madaming ginagawa para makontra. Madaming pagkain din. Pero yun lang naman. And it's something I choose for myself. Hello!